Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Smart ERP Solution. We shall provide top-notch training programs designed to achieve your professional goals. The website which is launched for the training program is www.smarterpsolution.com. Smart ERP Solution is under the umbrella of Smart Techno Solution. The website is www.smarttechnosolution.in. Our primary agenda is to launch the training programs on different programming languages through this YouTube channel. We shall provide training on PHP, JavaScript, ReactJS, Python, PHP Frameworks like Codeigniter, Laravel, etc. You will learn from industry leaders and subject matter experts with years of experience. Embark on your coding journey with Smart Techno Solution and unlock your potential in the tech industry. We are a tech corporation with a goal to assist prosperous businesses in expanding their technological capabilities. We specialize in developing customized systems to meet the ever-changing needs of your business. We have a star product, Smart Learning Management System. It is a cloud-based and user-friendly e-learning solution for training programs and giving them the flexibility to access it from anywhere and any web browser. Students have 24/7 hours access to this unique system through a unique user ID and password. This also helps businesses with staff development, upskilling, and performance improvement. If you want to learn more about our product, please visit our website www.smarttechnosolution.in. Our mission is to empower individuals with the skills and knowledge needed to thrive in the ever-evolving world of technology. We shall provide top-notch programming language training that is accessible, comprehensive, and designed to meet the needs of both beginners and experienced developers. We strive to create an engaging learning experience that fosters innovation and growth. After the training program, you will get a chance to do projects with us. Are you ready to elevate your skills and advance your career? So unlock your potential with our comprehensive training programs. Let's build the future together. Visit our website www.smarterpsolution.com. Soon, please keep your eye on this channel. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's start the journey together. Thank you.